Looking at metals, Lata, and even as we've seen profit taking across board, but the base metal prices still are headed for a weekly and a monthly gain. Can't say the same about the ferrous metals there, because when you look at the iron ore and steel prices, they have continued to decline. They're headed for a weekly and a monthly decline as well. So the steel prices, with the kind of decline that they've seen, are trading at a two-year lows right now. There has been weak demand for industrial and construction material, and that can clearly be seen in sense of raw material exports that we've seen come in from Australia and Brazil to China, where you have seen 20 to 11% of a decline in the month of October yet again. This is going to be a third monthly decline that we are looking at raw material export from these countries within China there. When you look at the China property sector investment, that has declined by 8% in this year until time. That tells you the trend as well. And when you look at the 2022 global demand for steel, and this number comes in from the World Steel Association, they're expecting a 2.3% of a decline in the global demand of steel. That will continue to weigh onto the prices as well. And the raw material iron ore prices have declined quite sharply as well. We have seen a breach of $90 per ton as well. This is a 22-month lows that we are seeing in case of the iron ore prices there. Well, you are seeing recession fears, lower demand coming in from the industry that has been weighing on. And come winters, in any case, the China starts looking at their decarbonization efforts, that will continue to weigh onto the markets as well. Property sector, we all know, has continued to dampen, and that has been impacting the factory activity also. So the demand continues on the lower side. This is the China Jan to September iron ore imports, which also have declined. That tells you that the demand itself has been on the weaker side there. I'll also get the week and the month prices for iron ore and steel on your screen right now. So on a week-on-week basis, 4 to 5% of a decline, and a double-digit decline is what we are seeing in case of prices for the month of October for both these ferrous metals.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that.